Koche mag siasa ni apise Aton jener pacho ka ndio chaka yanga apise mabiro konyo chiwo ratiro mag chike ne jogo maonge kod nyalo. Apise makamago oyang ni nitiere counties duto 47. Ma endi kaka achiel kuom yore mag konyo bende duoko chien chal mar do bede gi buche mathoth e pacho ka.
E doho ma Kibra Buore Nairobi, apisas mag bad migao ma doho Bagoromo Maria Wayanga, apise makonyo chiwo ratiro kod chenro mopogore opogore mag chike. Romo mabende oriwo koda ka Aton jener Dorcas Oduor, jang'ad bura e doho ma Kibra Diana Kavetsa, jalup spika ma Senate Gladys Shulei, gavana ma Mombasa Abdul Somad Nasir e kind mamoko. Apise go oyanga ni biro miyo pek ahinya weche moko adek, moting'o buche mag lo, buche mag nyithindo momakni gi bura, kod chiwo sir ne jogo maonge nyalo mayudo kil manyalo chung'negi e bura. Jang'ad bura Diana Kavetsa wacho ni chaka yanga apisego biro konyo duoko chien kwan mar buche e doho, kendo en achiel kuom yore mag bad migao ma doho neno ni oganda jo Kenya duto oyudo ratiro kaka owinjore.
In high backlog areas such as stealing and creating disturbance, structured legal support can guide parties towards appropriate alternatives, including diversion or settlement where suitable. For serious offenses such as robberies and sexual offenses, the program strengthens fair trial guarantees by ensuring that accused persons understand their rights and that victims, particularly children, receive guidance and pre-trial support essential to their participation.
This is something that goes to the heart of the ordinary people. Many of them feel terrorized by the justice system, but by you setting up these legal aid clinics, it's going to go a long way in ensuring that they can access justice, and they will feel that the justice system works for them, because sometimes they've always felt like they are victims of the justice system.
Korka kore, Aton jener Dorcas Oduor olero ni mayor piny Kenya chopo singo mare maneno ni bad migao ma doho tiyo kaka dwarore kojiwo rawere bende mondo puonjre weche mag chike.
The Office of the Attorney General was resourced to recruit 90 state council, all whom have now been deployed across all the 47 counties to anchor a fully functional national legal aid program. And each county now has 2 state council. We are going to partner with the Law Society of Kenya for purposes of having agency lawyers, pro bono lawyers. We will partner with the institutions like the Kenya School of Law and universities. We will also partner with professionals who will volunteer.
Kaluwore ni apisego oyawe counties duto 47. Gavana ma Mombasa Abdul Somad Nasir osingo mar manyo yore mag medo kwan apisego e county ma Mombasa makonyo ahinya e buche mag lo kod mago mag lwenje mag kit chwech.
We are more than willing to support and have our input as well for us to put 6 legal aid clinics throughout Mombasa, 1 in every sub-county, and in that way I think we can be able to do a lot. 1, of course, the judiciary will agree with me that this creates a huge reduction in backlog. 2, we have many cases, and I'm assuming that this is not just unique to one particular county, but many cases of GBB, SGBV, and land-related cases as well.
Efinyekide, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Baso di yumro machuk tano kuse urote maruka endi umbija taya ma endi tomo go ya sure uda chachi kalwende.